Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can send from GCash to PayMaya. So the first step you need to do is to open the GCash app and then you need to launch the GCash app on your mobile. Log into your GCash account using your MPIN and then you need to tap on send money, and in the third step you need to choose send via bank, and in the fourth step you need to select Maya as the bank. Once you select, enter transfer details, amount, account number, account email address, that is optional, and then you need to click on confirm the transaction, and then you need to enter the OTP, and in the next step you need to confirm the amount that you want. So this is a process that you need to follow to send from GCash to PayMaya. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.